If you experience problem with dongle drivers, the program didn't start with USB key not found message. It can be some problem with Windows automatic driver update system. You can check it, right click on the computer, select device manager, and if you see yellow sign CRI CRIN set key, so it means there is driver installation problem. It's easy to repair. Right click on this point, select update driver software, choose browse my computer, and let me pick from a list. Then select USB Universal Serial Bus Controllers. From manufacturer, select FTDI. Here it is. And model, select latest version of USB serial converter. For example, this one. Press next. Press yes to warning. And successfully manually install a driver. Press closed. As you can see, no yellow signs. USB serial converter installed. Let us check. It's working. Okay. Thank you for watching.